Get the most out of your workstation with two ultra-high-definition monitors and up to 100 watts of power. Perfect for users who want a dock to connect to either USB-C or USB-A host devices, plus want power to charge their Type-C or legacy laptops. To connect, first plug in the power supply from the wall to the power in port on the back of the Dock 190. The LED power indicator will turn on when properly powered. Next, plug in your keyboard, mouse, dongles, or other USB peripherals into any of the USB ports located on the dock. Speakers, headphones, a microphone or combo audio device can also be plugged into the audio in-out port. There are USB 3.0 Super Speed Type A and Type C ports on either side of the dock. One is labeled for high-power charging devices like smartphones and tablets. Using the cables that came with your display monitors, connect either two DisplayPort, two HDMI, or one of each to the video stream A and B ports on the Dock 190. Connect the Gigabit Ethernet port for the fastest secure LAN and internet access. A lock slot is also available for physical security. Finally, connect the Dock 190 uplink to your host device's Type-C port using the provided USB Type-C SuperSpeed cable. A USB-C to USB-A adapter is provided if you don't have a USB-C host device. Plugging this into your non-charging USB 3.0 host port is recommended. To enable laptop charging, connect the 19.5-volt output cable to the dock and select the power tip recommended for your PC from the Targus power tips included with the Dock 190. Be sure your laptop is running the latest operating system and you have the latest firmware from your device manufacturer on your computer. Save space and increase productivity with the Dock 190, the universally compatible USB-C docking station with 100-watt power.
The new Surface Dock transforms your Surface into a desktop PC. It's more than just a simple port replicator and brings with it smart enterprise-grade controls. Starting with a tour of the device, you'll see the new Surface Dock shares a consistent quality look and feel with the previous Surface Dock. On the front, you'll see two USB-C 3.2 ports capable of charging at 15 watts each. This is perfect for quickly charging phones and tablets or attaching your favorite peripherals. Moving to the back, you'll see two USB-A ports, a 3.5mm headphone and microphone jack, Gigabit Ethernet, and power. The two USB-C 3.2 ports in the back drive external displays. You can use them to drive two 4K displays at 60 Hz or 5K at 30 Hz. Then, on the side, you can attach a Kensington lock. The new Surface Connect cable is 80 centimeters or 31.5 inches long, which is 15 centimeters or 6 inches longer than before. The Surface Connect cable uses separate channels for data, display, and power. The new Surface Dock power supply is rated at 199 watts, with 120 watts dedicated to powering your Surface device. This is sufficient to power any Surface Connect device under the most demanding workloads. Beyond the updated ports and performance of the new Surface Dock, we've expanded the dock's management capabilities using Surface Enterprise Management Mode. The same Surface Dock can support different functions depending on which device connects to it. With certificate-based controls, you can individually disable USB data, audio, or Ethernet on the dock from Surface devices without required certificates. If a managed device with a required certificate connects to the Surface Dock, it will unlock additional functionality. And, as with SEMM and other Surface devices, these settings can be managed locally or by Microsoft Endpoint Configuration Manager at scale. It's also easier to keep the new Surface Dock up to date with native support for Windows Update and support for a downloadable MSI driver package for offline and automated installation. The new update process is fully automated and only momentarily resets the dock. You won't need to restart or disconnect and reconnect your Surface device. Surface Dock works with devices released in 2017 or later.
Introducing the USB-C and Thunderbolt 3 TBT3 UDC3 docking station. Connect dual monitors up to 4K 60 Hz to your Thunderbolt 3 laptop. Fully charge your 16-inch MacBook Pro in only 110 minutes with 100-watt power delivery. Expand your potential with a set of versatile and high bandwidth ports, 2 USB-C ports at 10 gigabits per second, 1 USB-A port at 10 gigabits per second, and 2 USB-A ports at 5 gigabits per second. Maneuver the internet quickly with the included Gigabit Ethernet for USB-C or Thunderbolt 3 laptops of today and USB 4 or Thunderbolt 4 laptops of the future. The next generation of docking stations, Plugable's TBT3 UDC3.